everyone, I'm Mr. Jelino Larillo Jr., your lecturer. At this point in time, we'll be having a review on the three fundamental topics in Mathematics 111. These are the topics: the decimals, the fractions, and the number theory. We're providing you 5 guidance questions, and each question, there is corresponding answers for each subtopics. Let's move on to the fraction. What is a fraction? And the answer, it is a part of a whole. Second question, please. What kind of fraction is 42 over 9? And the answer, it is improper fraction. There are two kinds of fraction, especially the proper and improper. If the number above is greater than the denominator, then it is what we call improper fraction. Next question. Convert 42 over 9 into mixed number. The answer and the solution is, so we divide 42 to 9. So 42 divided by 9 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. We get the difference of 42 and 36. We have 6. So our whole number is 4. Our numerator is 6. And our denominator is 9. So here it is. This equation can be simplified into simplest form. Then the answer is 4 and 2 over 3. So that is the answer. The other one, simplify in lowest term the 7 over 28. So simply dividing, we have the answer. So dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 7, we get 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Next question, please. We have the last question for fraction. Add 3/4 to 5/8. So the procedure and the answer, we have 3/4 plus 5/8. We get the LCD, or the lowest or the least common denominator. We have the 8. And 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 3, we get 6. 8 divided by 8 multiplied by 5 is 5. Then simply adding the numerator, we have 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 over 8. So that is the answer. Next question, please. So let's now move on to number theory. The first question for the number theory is, find the LCM of 3 and 9. And the answer, so we have 3, 9, we get the GCD or the GCF, 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our least common multiple is, we simply multiply these numbers. So 3 squared times 1 is 9. So that is the answer. We have the second question. What is the GCF of 4 and 24? So following the same procedure in finding the LCM. So here it is. The answer is 4. Why? So we think of the number that is divisible by the given number. So 4 is divisible by 4 and 24, right? So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And then our GCF is 4, since it is the greatest common factor that can be divided into the two numbers. We have the next question. What is the smallest prime number? So when we say prime number, it is the factor of it is only 1 and itself, or the number itself. So the answer for the smallest prime number is 2. Since 2 has no other factor, and the only factor is 2 and 1. So that is our smallest prime number. We have the next question. 64 is divisible in what number or numbers? The answer? We have the 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32, and 64. So if this number is to be multiplied or to be divided by 64, so we get no remainder. And the last question for the number theory, we have find the prime factors of 72. When we say prime factors, so it includes only the prime numbers of a given number. So meaning the factor of it is not a composite, but it's only a prime. So this is the solution. So we do three method. So the 72, we think of the number that is factorable by 72. So we get 8 and 9. So 8 times 9 is 72. Since 8 and 9 is factorable, so we get its factor. So the factor of 8 is 4 and 2. And the factor of 9 is 3 and 3. So we think of the number that is, so 4 is factorable, right? So the factor of 4 is, or are, 2 and 2. So when we say prime factor, the only factor is only the prime numbers. So if you have composite factor, so it is not a prime factors. So our prime factor, and the answer for 72 is 2 cubed times 3 squared. So 2 cubed means 1, 2, 3, and 3 squared means 2 3's multiplied by each other. So the answer is 2 cubed times 3 squared. Since 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. So that is the last question for the number theory. We go along to our last topic in our review in Math 111. So the last topic is the decimal, or decimals. So our question number 1 is, write 4.567 into verbal phrase. So when we say verbal phrase, it is changing the numerical numbers into words. So the answer for this is 4 and 567 thousandths. Take note of the THS. The second question. What is the place value of 4 in 0.3124? So the answer. So since this is our given number and this value is our tens, and this value is hundreds, this value is thousands, and this value is 10,000s. So in the question, given question, we are about to find the place value of 4. So our answer is 10,000s. Now the second or the next question for our decimals. Round up 5.6194 to the nearest hundred. Since we know already the place value, so our answer for this is so this is our hundreds, and that is to be round off. Then our answer is 5 and 63. Why do we come out to 5 and 62? Since after the number 1 is 9, so let's take note that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you should round on the number, or you will add 1 into the given place value. So our answer is 5 and 60. The next question. It is the adding decimals. So we have add 0.56 to 0.56. 96. So this is the solution and the answer. So simply aligning the decimal point or the decimal point. So we get and proceed to the addition process. We have 6 plus 6 is 12. Then 15, 1, 1. So we get 1.52. Next question. This is the last and the final question for our decimals. So we have multiply 3.14 to 3.57. Take note that in multiplying or dividing decimal numbers, so you need not to align the given decimal points. So you proceed to the multiplication process itself and count the number of the given decimal places. So here it is. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2, 9. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. And 5 times 3 is 15. Next and the final digit. 3 times 4 is 12. Then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. So simply adding those products, so we get 11.2098. So that ends our topic. So I hope you learn more and you learn a lot in our presentation. Thank you for watching and listening. Again, I'm Mr. Julito Narido Jr., your lecturer.
오빤 닦는 스타일 닦는 스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자
너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까
오빤 닦는 스타일